Please fill the glass with water.
Please fill the glass with water.
I need to fill the car with gas.
I need to fill the car with gas.
We watched a funny film last night.
We watched a funny film last night.
What is your favorite film?
What is your favorite film?
This is the final game of the year.
This is the final game of the year.
Please read the final page of the book.
Please read the final page of the book.
I cannot find my keys anywhere.
I cannot find my keys anywhere.
Did you find your shoes?
Did you find your shoes?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
The weather is fine for a walk.
The weather is fine for a walk.
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
Please finish your dinner.
Please finish your dinner.
It is cold, so we need a fire.
It is cold, so we need a fire.
Do not play with fire.
Do not play with fire.
This is my first visit to London.
This is my first visit to London.
January is the first month of the year.
January is the first month of the year.
I like to eat fish and chips.
I like to eat fish and chips.
The fish swims in the water.
The fish swims in the water.
I have 5 fingers on my hand.
I have 5 fingers on my hand.
The meeting is at 5 o'clock.
The meeting is at 5 o'clock.
They live in a small flat.
They live in a small flat.
My flat is on the 2nd floor.
My flat is on the 2nd floor.
The flight to Paris takes 2 hours.
The flight to Paris takes 2 hours.
Our flight was late yesterday.
Our flight was late yesterday.
Please do not sit on the floor.
Please do not sit on the floor.
My room is on the 1st floor.
My room is on the 1st floor.
That is a beautiful red flower.
That is a beautiful red flower.
I gave a flower to my mother.
I gave a flower to my mother.
Birds fly in the sky.
Birds fly in the sky.
We will fly to Spain next week.
We will fly to Spain next week.
Please follow me to the room.
Please follow me to the room.
The little ducklings follow their mother.
The little ducklings follow their mother.
We need to buy some food.
We need to buy some food.
The food at this restaurant is good.
The food at this restaurant is good.
I hurt my foot playing football.
I hurt my foot playing football.
Put your right foot in the shoe.
Put your right foot in the shoe.
We play football in the park.
We play football in the park.
Do you like to watch football?
Do you like to watch football?
This gift is for you from my brother.
This gift is for you from my brother.
I made a cake for your birthday.
I made a cake for your birthday.
Don't forget your book when you leave the class.
Don't forget your book when you leave the class.
I often forget names, so please tell me again.
I often forget names, so please tell me again.
Please fill in this form before the meeting.
Please fill in this form before the meeting.
I lost the form and asked for another one.
I lost the form and asked for another one.
My uncle is 40 years old today.
My uncle is 40 years old today.
There are 40 chairs in the big room.
There are 40 chairs in the big room.
We have 4 cats at home now.
We have 4 cats at home now.
The cake was cut into 4 equal pieces.
The cake was cut into 4 equal pieces.
My sister is 14 and loves reading books.
My sister is 14 and loves reading books.
There are 14 students in my class.
There are 14 students in my class.
Our team finished in 4th place this year.
Our team finished in 4th place this year.
She lives on the 4th floor of that building.
She lives on the 4th floor of that building.
The tickets are free for children under 5.
The tickets are free for children under 5.
I am free after lunch if you want coffee.
I am free after lunch if you want coffee.
My best friend lives next door to me.
My best friend lives next door to me.
I called my friend to share the news.
I called my friend to share the news.
The new teacher is friendly and very patient.
The new teacher is friendly and very patient.
Our dog is friendly to all visitors.
Our dog is friendly to all visitors.
I am from Spain, but I live here.
I am from Spain, but I live here.
This letter is from my aunt in Canada.
This letter is from my aunt in Canada.
Please wait at the front of the line.
Please wait at the front of the line.
The front door is painted bright blue.
The front door is painted bright blue.
I eat fresh fruit with yogurt every morning.
I eat fresh fruit with yogurt every morning.
The market sells fruit and vegetables daily.
The market sells fruit and vegetables daily.
The bus is full, so we must wait.
The bus is full, so we must wait.
My bag is full of books and snacks.
My bag is full of books and snacks.
The party was fun for everyone.
The party was fun for everyone.
We had fun at the beach today.
We had fun at the beach today.
That movie was funny and made us laugh.
That movie was funny and made us laugh.
He tells funny stories at lunch.
He tells funny stories at lunch.
We talk about the future in class today.
We talk about the future in class today.
I hope the future brings peace and love.
I hope the future brings peace and love.
We played a game after dinner.
We played a game after dinner.
This game is easy to learn.
This game is easy to learn.
There are roses in the garden behind our house.
There are roses in the garden behind our house.
We water the garden every morning.
We water the garden every morning.
We study geography on Monday and Wednesday.
We study geography on Monday and Wednesday.
I like geography because maps are interesting.
I like geography because maps are interesting.
I usually get up at 7 o'clock.
I usually get up at 7 o'clock.
Can you get some milk after work?
Can you get some milk after work?
The girl is reading a book quietly.
The girl is reading a book quietly.
I saw a girl with a red hat.
I saw a girl with a red hat.
He is having lunch with his girlfriend today.
He is having lunch with his girlfriend today.
I met his girlfriend at the party.
I met his girlfriend at the party.
Please give me a pen, thank you.
Please give me a pen, thank you.
I will give you a call tonight.
I will give you a call tonight.
He drank a glass of water.
He drank a glass of water.
Please put the glass on the table.
Please put the glass on the table.
I go to school by bus every day.
I go to school by bus every day.
Let's go for a walk after dinner.
Let's go for a walk after dinner.
This soup tastes good and warm.
This soup tastes good and warm.
You did a good job today.
You did a good job today.
We said goodbye at the bus stop.
We said goodbye at the bus stop.
Goodbye, I will call you tomorrow.
Goodbye, I will call you tomorrow.
My grandfather tells stories about his childhood.
My grandfather tells stories about his childhood.
We visit our grandfather every weekend.
We visit our grandfather every weekend.
My grandmother makes delicious bread on Sundays.
My grandmother makes delicious bread on Sundays.
We call our grandmother every evening.
We call our grandmother every evening.
Each grandparent gave us a small gift.
Each grandparent gave us a small gift.
A grandparent can teach many life lessons.
A grandparent can teach many life lessons. Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. See you next time.